Hi, I'm Luca, the founder of Directonaut. Let me quickly explain you what you can do here. So this is the target persona feature. If you haven't created your target personas yet, then do it. Then you should see something like this. Those are target persona insights, where you can understand your target persona deeply, psychographics, what decision criteria they have, even what they are thinking, and what they potentially might like or dislike about your app. There's even a scenario that shows you under which circumstances your target persona is likely to interact with your business. You can click through them like this, and you can also go into the practice menu. There you have a chance to talk to them. You can either have a casual chat. This is just a very simple AI chatbot where you can speak to your profile and just ask them any questions that you need to understand your target persona better. Or you can configure a scenario, for example, this one, an executive introduction, and then you can start a sales conversation with the target persona. And there's also a sales coach that helps you along the way. So, for example, I could ask, what other solutions have you tried before? And then I will receive an answer from my target persona and also automated advice from the sales coach about how the conversation is going and what I can potentially improve. These target personas are much better than ChatGPT because they are, first of all, far more personalized to your business. They can assume different kinds of personality traits that you don't even know and that you have to deal with, like in a real sales conversation, right? And they can also end the conversation. They can tell you that they are ready to sign the contract. That's when you basically win the game. Or they can also tell you that they've had enough and they can walk out of the conversation. That's where you're kind of lost. So have fun trying, have fun playing, and I wish you that you win your sales conversations.